Run Graph Master extension. Open any spline graph, enter name and points on graph count. Now you can edit values. We have reworked all the parameters, let's see what we have. Now negative value set automatically between min and max value. Now you can set any max and min value. Also we add number of digits for value parameters. Now you can set up back value count. The most important innovation is that the library now works as presets. Let's choose one of the presets and apply it to an existing project. You can change the appearance of the charts at any time. You can also customize each preset for yourself. We have prepared for you more than 200 settings of all the most necessary parameters. Now you can add shading to main graph elements without switching to a different graph type. If you want get shaded style, you can set it from preset library. Such presets can also be applied at any time. And you can modify each preset to suit your needs. Also we add textures for background elements. You can add custom texture if you want. Also you can switch on or off scene elements. You can change the original preset beyond recognition. You can reload the original preset by selecting it from the library. Let's add a few more points. And now let's change the names by simply renaming the layers and see result.